most frequently asked questions we receive at Neon Controls is when you should specify a single stage regulator or a dual stage regulator. The Neon Series 10 line regulator or Series 15 single stage cylinder regulator is designed for when you have a continuous pressure supply. It will operate with a pressure coming in. The set point will maintain a consistent outlet as long as the inlet pressure is also consistent. However, in real life and in many applications, what you find is the pressure coming in is not consistent, especially if it is on a diminishing source such as a cylinder of gas. The reason why you use a two-stage regulator then is something called supply pressure effect. What happens when the inlet pressure decreases coming into the regulator is it operates in the physical forces set within the regulator itself, so that as the inlet pressure decreases, the outlet set point will actually rise. The amount that it will rise is published by Neon Controls on our spec sheets. For the standard 0.07 C sub V, it's actually about 1.3% change. So as your inlet pressure drops, the outlet pressure will increase by 1.3% of the total. With a two-stage regulator, you minimize this effect because you're actually using an exponential function where the change is now actually 1.3% of 1.3%. So very typically a two-stage regulator will be used on a cylinder bottle because as the bottle decreases from say 3,000 pounds down to 100 or 200 pounds, the supply pressure effect can actually be significant. Now if you are using your application where a human operator is able to constantly monitor the bottle, you may be able to use a single stage cylinder regulator because the operator himself can make adjustments. However, if the regulator is on an application where you need to set it and walk away, a two-stage regulator is generally going to be recommended in order to minimize that supply pressure effect. Our trained staff can help you specify the regulator that meets your application, and we stock a wide variety of materials, portings, C sub V sizes, and many other options as well. Please give us a call.